Wait lang po, mag-picture taking lang daw po dito sa ano. Okay, wait lang po.
Dear parents and friends, at this college was a big touch to the story.
Forward. Ikakit. Wala rin. Sakit mo ba? Si Jamie. Ang cute. Sana ganyan para silang bulak. Now, 7.
Open the door, dear children. I have something for each of you. We will not open the door. Mother's voice is soft and gentle. Your voice is like you are a wolf. door. Mother's voice is soft and gentle. Your voice is here for our alone. Then the Lord answered the mirror and said, the miller was so afraid of the wolf that he did as he was told. Then the wicked wolf went into the goat's house again and said, Mr. Miller put some flour on my foot. I heard and said, Open other dear children, I am your mother. You are not our mother. You will not open the door. Our mother's feet are white and yours are black. Go away, you are the wolf.
Ang halin lang.
Then the wolf went to the mirror. And the wolf went to the mirror and said, Mr. Miller put some flour on my foot. I hurt myself. The miller was so afraid of the wolf that he did as the stone. Then the wicked wolf went into the goat's house again and said,
Ang naglaro. Nahapon na yung baby ko.
Open the door, dear children, I am your mother. Come in, mother. So what's your food? So the wolf put his right foot on the window. When the little kid saw that it was wolf, they got their mother. Come in, mother. No So she sent the little kid in the house for a pair of scissors and a needle and some. There she quickly cut a hole in the side of the wicked wolf. The wicked old wolf went one of the kids stuck his head and another popped out and the all six jumped out of the grass. Mother! Mother! We are fine.
Nangangalay na talaga. Ako makasal.
I saw the Lord gently and guided me quietly some passage with When at last the wicked wolf woke up, the great stones in him made him feel very happy. Oh, I feel so happy and thirsty. We walk down to the brook to drink some water. But soon as he finished drinking the stuff, she made him very heavy, made him fell into the deep water and he was drowned. The wolf had 7 little pigs.
Alright, what a lovely performance. Palakpakan naman natin ang mga bata. Salamat po. So, let me introduce to you the characters of the wolf and the 7 little kids. Shirley Venegas, Sky Medea, John Benedict Bitoon as the trees.
Si John po.
Palakpakan naman po natin ang mga bata. Where are you, trees? Once again, the trees. Take a bow, boys. Take a bow. Okay, thank you. And now the animals. We have lion, Fiery Raul Rivera.
Talagang play ang ginawa. Play literal.
Angelo Bacina as monkey, Terence Matthew Abandaño as the elephant, Avery Misha Cayetano as the tiger, and Blake Andrew Reyes as the bird. Again, let us clap our hands to the animals. Thank you, animals. And now let us welcome the flowers. Adriel Lambit, Tala Mitch De Quiroz, Elizabeth Villarreal, Amira Gabriela Alcantara, Amira Isabella Alcantara, and Shia Rain Jackson. Flowers, take a bow, please. Okay, thank you. And of course, Mr. Miller, Blue Isaac Escartin. Mr. Miller. Okay, take a bow, please. Okay. And we also have the 7 little goats. Goat 1, Sofia Angelique Pales. Goat 2, Jadon Profugo. Goat 3, Enigo King Guevara. Goat 4, Shania Irish Casio. Goat 5, Feo Vincent Aklan. Goat 6, Brianna Elaine Vito. And Goat 7, Lian Priensha. Take a bow, please. Okay, thank you. Anika King Hombre as the mother goat. Palakpakan naman po natin ang pinaghirapan at pinagpaguran ng ating mga anak. Of course, the wolf, none other than Jeriel Lance Relianos. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga bata. And of course, this will not complete without the narrators. We have narrator 1, Anastasia Celine Tejada, and narrator 2, Prince Jeffrick Hernandez. Palakpakan po natin sila. Thank you very much. And of course, the effort and patience of our kinder teacher, Mrs. Jocelyn Javier. Palakpakan din po natin si Teacher Joy. Thank you so much.
Okay, children, you may now go back to your places. Okay, kasi ay may closing remarks pa tayo. Okay, balik muna tayo dun sa chair natin. Okay, doon kayo. Yung mga girls, dito ka muna, andyan muna. So, yung mga girls dun sa pink, mga boys dun sa blue. Mamaya nag-change ulit ng costume. Ay, ng uniform.
Sit down na kayo. Dali, sit down. Dali, sit down na, sit down. Basta, sit down na, sit down.
Okay, Lian and blue.
Sit down na, sit down.
Lian and blue.
Lian, tawag kayo. Tawag kayo ni teacher. Yes po, dyan mo pa, sit down na.
Okay, children, balik muna sa chair nyo. Okay, 1, 2, 3, Jayton. 4, 5, sige po kayo para may alam ni teacher kung sino ang kulang. Okay, mga girls. Good job, kids. Palakpakan natin ang ating mga sarili. Oh, galing talaga. Galing eh.
Once again, good afternoon to everyone. I'm so glad for your attendance, for your support to our programs. Actually, halos isang linggo na po sinusunod-bayan ang weather forecast. Dito ito, dahil na magpaparating ang low pressure and then napaka-init itong linggo para bumili pa rin. So, that's why this morning we started the mass at 7:30 para matapos ang program at 11. Actually, yesterday I was monitoring the temperature here in Kalawang. Inapit was actually it will reach at 34 degrees at around 11. So, I'm really so thankful to God that this morning, hindi masyadong init. Just like yesterday, napaka-init talaga. When we were preparing the stage here, it was so hot. Tapos, in the afternoon, malakas yung ikat at ulog. Halos yung mga teacher, nagtawin yung mga sa ilalim ng table. At malakas ang ulan. So, talagang, I was praying, sana, hindi umulan na yung hapon. So, I was monitoring last night kung yung sa hapon na temperature
actually, the forecast is 90% na uulan at around 2 o'clock. But thanks be to God, talagang pinagbigyan tayo at I really feel the presence of the Lord, the presence of baby Jesus within us. See, I could feel how much He loves His children and all of us. So at sa ating po mga magulang, thank you very much for sa inyong support. This affair will not be a success without your support. And to our teachers, I believe your commitment, your diligence, and in fulfilling our mission, our apostolate. You are a part of our apostolate as a congregation and the mission of our church. Bahala na po ang Diyos na magbigay sa inyo ng biyaya, sa inyong mga pamilya, sa inyong ginagawang suporta sa misyon ng simbahan at sa simbahan ng aming congregation. So let us all thank the Lord for all of this at ito ay ating give this for the glory of God. So thank you very much and may God bless us all.
Thank you, Sister Margaret. What a wonderful day. We may now congratulate. So behalf of the congratulate, I do and starting learn operation. Saying thank you to our parents, sisters, and members of our community. We love you all with our Lord and God bless.
Thank you so much po, parents. And of course, sa my dear Kinder Faith and Freddy, congratulations. Good job. Okay, so announcement lang po, our show